This video is about Blue Eye technology. Introduction. The Blue Eyes technology aims at creating computational machines that have perceptual and sensory abilities like those of human beings. It uses non-obtrusive sensing method. It employing most modern video cameras and microphones to identify the user's actions through sensory abilities. What is Blue Eyes technology? The Blue Eyes technology works on artificial intelligence. It aims to give human abilities to a computer. A research team of IBM has come up with this technology to make a computer understand and sense human feelings and behavior. The aim of the Blue Eyes technology is to give human power or abilities to a computer so that the machine can naturally interact with human beings as humans interact with each other through speech, facial expressions, and touch. Representation of Blue Eyes technology. Blue, which refers to Bluetooth, which is a wireless communication. Eyes represents eye movement, enables us to obtain a lot of interesting and important information. A computer observes what the operator is looking at and then it delivers the information about that object. Finally, from the eye, it shows the information wirelessly. That's why the term blue, which refers to the Bluetooth, is used here. Need of Blue Eyes technology. To build a machine that can understand your emotion, it can able to listen, talk or scream. It can able to verify your identity, feels your presence and interact with you. Technologies used: emotional mouse, manual and gaze input cascaded, that is magic, artificial intelligence speech recognition, simple user interest tracker, the eye movement sensor. Emotional mouse. Most of the time, the users can use mouse. So, the emotional mouse consists of GSR sensor, temperature sensor, pressure sensor, and heartbeat sensor. From those sensors, the operator's physiological data is observed. Magic pointing. It is the technique of tracing eye movement of the user and performs the desired operation. Artificial intelligence speech recognition. It is used to recognize speech of user. The user's input words are scanned and matched against internally stored words. Suitor. It notices where the eyes focus on the screen. Eye movement sensor. A personal area network for linking all the operators and the supervising system. It has two major units: DAU, Data Acquisition Unit, CSU, Central System Unit. Features of DAC. It has lightweight, it runs on batteries with a low power consumption, it is very easy to use, it has ID cards for operator authorization. Features of CSU. Maintains the Bluetooth connection. It conducts data processing. It records conclusion for future exploration. Provides visualization interface. Applications. Retailing record and interpret customer movements. It is used in automobile industry, video games. It creates face responsive display and it is also used in power station. Advantages: it has high accuracy level, it is fast in speed, naturalness as compared to old traditional pointing, it has less physical effort and stress is increased as compared to manual pointing. Disadvantages: distraction while reading, reliability of the system. Conclusion. In future, ordinary household devices may be able to do their jobs when we look at them. It provides more delicate and user-friendly facilities in computing devices. Gap between the electronic and physical world is reduced. Thank you.